In today's time, China is showing its power to the world, but he can never make direct war with India. The biggest reason for this is India's missile strength. While Indian nuclear posture has traditionally been geared towards handling Pakistan, according to a new research, there are indications that India is now focusing more on managing threats from China and as such strengthening its ability to bring entire Chinese territory within its nuclear strike range. According to a recent report, in view of China and Pakistan in the last few years, India has advanced and modernized its missile technology. According to the news, India has prepared the intercontinental ballistic missile Agni 5 as part of its preparations to deal with any situation of fighting China. India's nuclear doctrine and its strategic force posture have been evolving with a rapidly changing threat environment. Questions of targeting and no first use policy are now being discussed more critically with rising belligerence from China. Hans M. Christensen, top nuclear scientist, speaks at length on India's nuclear forces 2020. He conveys strongly the point that India is out to re-strategize its nuclear arsenal and trust its capabilities are evolving to bring all of China within reach for the first time. Focus of India's current missile development is ranged to have enough range to hold targets at risk throughout China. Agni 3 has this capability if launched from the very northeastern part of India. Agni 3 has this capability if launched from the very northeastern part of India. Agni 4 will give more flexibility, but not until Agni 5 becomes operational and deployed will India be able to overcome the geographical constraints and allow it to base its missile force further back from the Chinese border. Agni 5 will enable India to hold targets at risk throughout China, not least the leadership in Beijing, and allow Indian planners to base the missiles further back from the Chinese border? How that will affect Chinese thinking and planning is difficult to predict, not least because China already has the capability to target facilities throughout India. India's strategy. The emerging geopolitical dynamics wants India to be a major player in the new defense and security, and the epicenter of which is the Indo-Pacific region. Influence will almost entirely be Pakistan and China. According to the news, India has prepared the Intercontinental Ballistic Missile ICBM Agni 5 as part of its preparations to deal with any situation of fighting China. This nuclear-rich missile can wreak havoc all over China. With this missile technology, India joined the select countries which have ICBM missile powers. India stands near America, Russia, France, Britain and China in this list. These forces of India make the country powerful. Let me tell you that Agni missiles are an important part of India's resistance against nuclear attacks. India has a number of Agni series missiles, due to which the enemy countries of India suffer the most. The name of this missile gives a shout to the enemies of India. The Rafale jets are factored to boost India's defense status and its strength in Asia, including against China. The Rafale is a very capable aircraft. If India equips it to carry nuclear bombs, it will represent an increased strike capability in the air leg of the nuclear triad. Agni V missiles and Rafale jets will be game changer for India's new defense strength.
For more and daily news updates, subscribe to our channel. Stay home and stay safe.